How to check incognito history in Google Chrome. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Chrome and you click on the I opened the incognito tab, and for example if you have a tab here already, there's one way you can check that is click on the top right, and if there are other tabs here, this is how you can check. But if you want to check the history of incognito mode that has been removed, there is here it's clearly written your browsing history won't be saved, cookies and sites data won't be saved. But there is only one possible way that you can go and check your incognito mode, and that one way is to go to your Wi-Fi setting and copy the IP address and click on your server network Wi-Fi network provider and put your IP address there, and it will show you all the data, all your searches, all the digital parts of it, what has been your download speed, what has been your history, what has been your searches. And that's the only possible way you can check your incognito history on Google Chrome, and there's no possible way to check your history of incognito mode. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.